Hi, this is Nick in the Edible Schoolyard kitchen classroom. Today I'm here with a short how-to video on basic baking techniques. We're going to be looking at some of the methods that are found in common baking recipes. Today we're going to practice measuring dry ingredients. I've got white flour, whole wheat flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I'm going to start by using a dry ingredient measuring cup. Instead of scooping the flour, which can pack it in, I'm going to gently spoon it into the measuring cup until it's overflowing. After I have it overflowing, I'll use a knife to level it off to make sure I have exactly 1 cup. Then I'll do a ½ cup more of white flour and a whole cup of the whole wheat flour. Next up, we're going to measure our baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I need just ½ teaspoon of baking powder, and again, I'll measure it till it's over full and level it off, and then repeat the same, but with 1½ teaspoons of baking soda. For the salt, I just need a ¼ teaspoon, and I'll use my finger to level it off. After measuring all my dry ingredients, I'll whisk it quickly, just to make sure that the salt, baking soda, and baking powder are mixed evenly through. To cream butter and sugar, you'll want warm, softened butter, but not melted. Next, I have some brown sugar. When measuring brown sugar, you do pack it in. Then, I'll mix the butter and sugar together until it's a light and fluffy mixture. My butter's not quite soft enough here, so I'm going to start by cutting it into chunks, and then continue to mix it and smashing it against the sides of the bowl. Creaming butter and sugar produces a lighter, fluffier mixture that results in lighter, fluffier cakes and cookies. The next skill that we're going to practice is measuring liquids. A liquid measuring beaker like this works well. I need 1 cup of buttermilk, so I'm going to find the 1 cup on the side and then pour until I reach that amount. The final skill that we're going to practice today is folding. Folding's a gentle way of mixing ingredients together. Today, I'm going to fold my wet ingredients and my fruit into my dry ingredients. To fold, I'll lift the ingredients up using my spatula and gently loop it over on top of itself. Folding is more gentle than stirring like this. I'll turn the bowl as I do this to make sure that I'm mixing everything together. Once I have a smooth, even consistency, I'll add in my fruit and mix it in using the same folding technique. It's important to be gentle when mixing cakes and cookies because stirring too much can overdevelop the gluten, which results in tough and chewy cakes and muffins. Finally, we have some muffin batter ready to dish up and put in the oven. Head over to edibleschoolyard.org to find recipes to practice your new skills with. Thanks for watching.